Hey, today's Tuesday and you are going to focus on math and science today. And I also have an art project for you for the week. Your art project is you're going to show symmetry. So symmetry is whenever you have a shape of any kind. Obviously they're not all going to be these basic shapes, but these are some ideas. And when you take those shapes and you draw a line down the middle or fold it in half, it's the same on both sides. Everything lines up and matches on both sides. So if you were to draw a line down this bug right here, everything is the same. Same thing on this lizard, this totem pole, and this mask. So you can create it however you want. You can do it on with construction paper. This mask right here is made out of cardboard. So is the totem pole. It's made out of like a paper towel roll and some construction paper. Or you can paint a picture. You can draw a picture and color it, just showing me that line of symmetry. For science, you're going to do a project, and you can pick between two projects. There is a project for living and non-living, and this has all of the requirements that you need on it. You can make a poster, you can make a brochure, you can make a one-pager, which just means you use one blank piece of paper to make it. You can also make a flip book. However you want to show me all of these things right here. You're going to illustrate 3 living things, 3 non-living things, and you got to tell me at least 2 examples of how living organisms depend on each other, and at least 1 food chain that shows how those living things get their energy. And you have to include sentences to explain these things down here. So you can find this by clicking on the science links underneath your link that I sent you. It's right, so Tuesday science right here. It tells you all the instructions if you just click there. The other activity is Earth Day activities. You're going to make a poster. Same thing, you can do a poster, a flip book, you can do a one-pager, you can do a brochure, but you're going to pick from these Earth Day activities right here. It's a link that you can hit, that's why it's in blue, and you can pick some activities off of there and create the poster to show appreciation for our Earth. Send me pictures. I would love to see any of those activities that you're doing, and create that poster for appreciating our Earth, because Earth Day is this week. So math, you are going to do, if you have a packet, you're going to do this 12-6 worksheet, and it's all about shapes, solid figures. Then you are going to find a collection of objects. We don't want more than 120. Probably not going to find 120 of something, but unless it's things like little pebbles. But you can find things around your house. I would suggest at least 20 of whatever you find. And you are going to skip count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, all the way to however many you have. You're going to answer these 3 questions for me. Number 1 is, how many objects are in your collection? So that's how you're going to get to it, is by skip counting by 2s. Number 2, what number is 10 more than your collection? And number 3 is, what is 10 less than your collection? And you can just write those on a piece of paper. Send me a picture. If you are doing work in your book instead of the paper packet, then you are going to do the reteach in lesson 12 in your big book. If you don't have it and you have availability to Imagine Math, then that is fine with me. So don't forget your science project is a project that you're going to work on today and Wednesday. So you won't have any more science today. That's all you're going to work on is your project for the week. So you're doing art for the week and you're doing science for the week, and then you have your math for today. Bye. See you tomorrow.